Today's short video tutorial is how to add 4 signatures to a document inside of dotloop. Now we're going to start off by adding people and assigning roles. You're going to see that I've already added 4 sellers to this loop. Once you've added your people and you've assigned roles, you're going to go ahead and bring in your document. I'm going to go ahead and work from my templates. We're going to have a short video on creating templates that will save you a lot of time. But today for 4 signatures, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up this document. I'm working with the listing agreement because it's a short document, but this works on every document inside of dotloop. When I get to assign fields, I'm actually going to skip this part because as you can see, there are only 2 sellers listed here and there are 4 on this file. The reason there are only 2 listed is because this document only has areas at the very bottom for 2 sellers. It doesn't have a space for 4 sellers. So what we're going to need to do is we're actually going to need to fill this document out completely, and then we're going to save it as a flat PDF. Right now it's in the interactive format. So I can click in these fields and I can type. I can type whatever I need to type in these fields. So what you're going to do is when you're creating an offer or you're creating a contract or whatever you're doing inside dotloop, you're going to pull in all of your documents. You're going to open them up and you're going to fill out every page of every document while it's in the interactive format. When you're done with that, you're going to save the document and you're going to go right back into your loop. You do not want to share it at this point. You're just going to fill it out and you're going to save it. Once you're back to the documents, you're going to check mark the box to the left of the document and you're going to see the copy to function. When you click on copy to, you're going to have an option. It's the second option that says copy as a flat PDF. Click inside that circle. You're going to copy this flat PDF right back into the loop that you're currently working in. So click on to loop. Find the loop that you've been working in, click on that loop, and then click copy. Now what you're going to notice is there are 2 of the same document now inside my loop. The top one is my new document and the bottom one is the old interactive document. I'm going to open it to make sure because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to archive. As you can see, I can click in these fields. I don't need this document anymore. So I'm going to go back out of this. Check mark this document, go to the far right in this little blue arrow, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go down to archive. That document is gone. I don't want to be confused when I'm working in this loop later that I've got 2 of the same document. The only document that I really want is this one. And you're going to notice that when I click on it, it is no longer in its interactive format. I cannot click in any of these fields. What I do have now is the PDF editor. Notice at the top I've got add signature, add text. There's a more button that allows me to add initials, dates, names, strike throughs. This is a full PDF editor. So now I can do whatever I want in this document. And what I need to do in this document is I need to add 4 signatures. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. I'm going to click where it says add signature. You're going to notice when I do that, this is attached right to my mouse and I'm just going to go over and I'm going to drop this signature in. Once I click to drop in the signature, it's going to change to sign here. I can click on assign field and I will go up and add my seller where it says assign field. Now I can do that 3 more times so that I have 4 sellers on my document and I'm going to assign the fields to each one of them. So now you can see I've got Susie, Sammy, Sonia, and Sally all listed to sign on this document. Now, someone asked me the other day, can you move those around? Sure you can. So if I want to move these, I'm just going to click right on it. I'm going to move that. Maybe I want to move this over here. Let me pull Sally up here. Looks like it doesn't want to fit. So you know what I can do? Can make this box a little bit smaller by pulling that in right there. So you can do all kinds of stuff with this PDF editor, you guys. I'm going to move Sammy over. here so that there's a place for the broker to sign. So there we go. They're all four there. There's still a place for my broker to sign. Now I can save this and I can share it. I can actually share it right from here, or I can go back and share it from the other one. But Susie, Sonia, Sally, and Sammy will all receive separate emails where they can sign this document.